Once you've added a video to LangMagic, you're now ready to explore and try out LangMagic tools. First up are subtitles and translation features. If the video has subtitles in your native language, you can view them alongside the foreign language subtitles. You can easily switch your native language subtitles on and off as needed. Simply press the settings icon for it and additionally get access to playback settings like player speed. Also, you can select a word, phrase, or a whole line of text and get a translation that gives an option to add multiple languages at once, making your translation experience faster. As well as, you can access LangMagic's ChatGPT prompts. But for that, we recommend you to check out our next tutorial, how to use ChatGPT prompts for immersive learning.